Good morning, guys. Logan McBride here from Grand Design, product manager for Influence and Solitude. Standing in front of here, the 3704 BH Influence. I want to go over a few key features with you today of our brand new brand at Grand Design that we launched at the end of last year. First of all, going through here, what we want to see, big pass-through storage on the Influence. You've got plenty of storage to take all of your camping chairs, all of your cooking equipment out for your outside kitchen. Coming through here, biggest thing that I like to point out is our running gear. It's what's touching the road. It's what's getting you to your campground, getting you home safe. Under here, we are running Dexter 7,000 pound axles with ABS, so your anti-lock brake system. We've got Cooper H-rated tires with 17.5-inch wheels, Moride CRE 3000 suspension, and your half-inch shackles. That is a really beefy running gear on this unit. And again, the rubber is meeting the road. That is what is getting you safely to your destination and home. Last thing I want to go over here on the exterior, you've got a big outside kitchen on this 3704 Influence. You've got a griddle here, so you can cook your breakfast, your eggs, and your bacon in the morning. You've got a beverage cooler in here, keep all of your drinks cool. And then the nice thing that most people do not have, you've got an actual plumb sink, so you don't have to worry about filling that sink up with water and having to dump that on the ground. So you've got plumb sink and a lot of storage in here. So again, big thing on these units, as much storage as possible, as much storage as we can put on these units for you guys. And then stepping inside, I mean, the first thing you're going to see is this huge kitchen. You've got a large 3-burner stove, you've got a big oven, you've got a 16 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. I mean, look at that storage in there. Coming in through here, big pantry. Again, as much storage as possible as we can give you. One thing I like to point out as you open the pantries, you're going to see your TravelFi. That is going to be your built-in Wi-Fi on Influence. That is all going to be standard in the unit. And one of the coolest features in the kitchen is going to be the smart sink. You've obviously got your faucet, your sprayer. The other thing you've got a built-in colander, so if you're cutting your vegetables up, cut them up, put them in that colander, and then you've got a waterfall faucet right here to help rinse out those vegetables. And then coming over here, you've got your theater seats, your Apex furniture that is going to sit right across from the TV, so you've got a really good viewing angle to watch sports games and watch movies. And then obviously you have your 4-person dinette, sit down with the family, eat dinner, and play games. Coming back to the bunk room, this is a kid's paradise back here. You've got a flip-up bunk right here, so as many kids as possible that you have, you can fit them in here. You've got a bunk over here, couch down here that comes out into a tri-fold sofa, and then back here in the back you've got a desk. So if you are doing homework, working from home, kids want to play computer games, you've got that desk back there. It gives them a perfect getaway in here. It's a separated room, they have their own space. And then you've got the half bath back here, so you've got toilet, sink, again giving the kids their own separate room, and giving you and your family as much space as possible. Then coming upstairs here, first thing you're going to see is the bathroom. A couple things in the bathroom, obviously toilet, sink. The one big thing in our bathrooms is if you've got a sunken shower. So that shower is actually sunken into the floor, so you've got more headroom space. So if you are a taller person, you're not going to have an issue with getting into the shower. Coming into the bedroom here, you've got your bed slide, you got your king bed in here, TV standard. And then our new headboard right here. It's got a flip-up shelf, so if you are needing extra space or you're decorating the unit, you can flip that shelf up, you can put decorations up, or you can put your phone in there. And then big walk-in closet. And then the closet right here, you've got stackable washer and dryer prep as well. So if you are going longer trips or you are extended living in this unit, you can have your stackable washer and dryer and be able to wash your clothes in the unit. Hey guys, thanks for spending some time with me today. Again, I'm Logan McBride with Grand Design, and this is the Influence 3704 BH.